Say hello.
Recording.
Yeah. Say hello. Hey, Diane.
This is her eyes like.
Say hello. Oh, true. Thank you. Look at this big mess. Shameful. It's a shame. Yeah, what do we have to say about this big mess?
I cleaned up yesterday, but excuse me.
Okay, we'll let her have her little moment. What do you like to say about this mess? Oh, true. You want to laugh about it? You think it's funny now?
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, okay.
Well, I cleaned up yesterday, and it's just getting messy. It's like, what the heck?
Yeah. I have to say that it's just beautiful. I just love living in big messes. You know, it's like
Yeah, keep talking.
it's just great. You know, look, I love. Look, it's like decorative, decorative. Yeah, that one.
I can't zoom in.
Yeah.
Oh, frick.
Um.
Turn it off now.
Push the wrong button. Push the record button. The little button.